My mom, she gets a little hyper sometimes. She has a really sharp hand.
छोटी बातों में डांटती है.
मम्मा मारती है. खेलने नहीं देती.
Every time my hair grows very long, she says, cut it. She never allows me to go to other people's houses for play dates. Meanwhile, she lets everyone come to our house. Don't see Pokemon and Doraemon.
Maths homework done, English homework done, social science homework done.
डांटती है. जब मार दिया तब.
That she doesn't allow me to go to sleepovers. She doesn't allow sleepovers.
ये घूमने नहीं ले जाती मुझे. अपने आप जाती है.
वो टीवी नहीं देखने देती, खेलने नहीं देती.
You have to score good marks so that you can do good in the future. And I say, Mom, please let me go for a party, Mama, please. No, no. Other moms.
I like Suhina's mom and Janvi's and Ananya's mom. Mohini auntie she's nice. Avni's mom. I love my best friend's mom. She never gets scolded, literally. She's very kind and she understands very much. I feel sometimes that why can't Mama also make so many nice styles like Imon's mother, Shipra auntie,
नील की.
She gives her children so many things.
No, it is not okay. Well,
नहीं.
no.
नहीं.
नहीं.
No, I don't want.
नहीं.
No. I would not accept that.
नहीं मम्मा नहीं चाहिए.
यही मम्मी ठीक है.
Not even for 1 minute.
Not even for a minute or a second or a millisecond.
Not even for 1 second. Thank you.
I love you. And I love you a lot.
I love you मम्मा.
मम्मी ये मम्मी चेंज नहीं हो सकती.